Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. You know, and when I'm not building, I like to recreate, and I play golf at this really wonderful golf course here in central New Hampshire called Lochmere Golf and Country Club. And they've got it right when they say country club. It's really a public course, but I've played lots of golf all over the nation, and I've got to tell you, in my opinion, Lochmere is probably one of the top 5 courses I've ever played in my life. It's really well maintained, and it's challenging, but it's also not too hard. If you just don't swing too fast and you just keep your ball under control, you're going to love it here. I just can't simply say enough. I've been to a lot of real country clubs in my life, and I've got to say that Lochmere is better than 80% of the ones I've ever been to. And remember, it's a public golf course, and when it comes to price, you're not going to get a better value. I'm not kidding. Here it is, 2020, and the price is only $50 to play Monday through Thursday. So great deal. And I'm just telling you right now, if you've not played Lochmere, you should, and you won't regret it. And soon I'm going to have more building videos for you, but I just want to let you know that when I don't build, sometimes I go out and have some fun. So here's a few shots of Lochmere. Here's some of my favorite holes, and here's a little bit of what happened to me today. I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, I just played hole number 12. It's just a killer hole, and I got a 6. It's this wicked flipping uphill dogleg left. I tried to hit it through the trees and take the shortcut, and who knows where it went. It's a gift to the golf ball gods. Okay, this is hole number 13 over my shoulder, and this used to be a wicked hole. I mean, they made it so much easier, but it was a huge dogleg right, and as you can see down below me, you have to hit over that valley, and you just can't make a mistake. So it's target golf on this one. Okay, on 13, it's a par 3. I hit a beautiful tee shot, used a 9-iron. I was 104 yards out. The wind came up, caught the ball, and it just ended up on that hillside. It was horrible. I then take a 7-iron so I wouldn't hit it, pop it in the air. I put it in the sand trap on the other side of the hole. I thought it was a beautiful shot up, but it rolled across the green into the trap. So I'm lying 2 in the trap and 4 more shots to get it in. Insanity. But that's the game. It's so flipping hard. Okay, on 14, I parred it. I think second par of the day. I just crushed the drive. It was a little dogleg left, and my gosh, it must have gone, I don't know, 250 yards. It was a long way. I only had 100 yards to go and put it right on the green and 2-putting. So, but it's a little late in the day to come alive. I only got 3 more holes left. Let's see, no, 4. So we'll see what happens on 15. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.